I don't know what this one. I was fucking around with some. Those some threes in there.
Fragments, that's tough.
The rest of the shit is somebody this worse than I do.
But
The shoes are 14. The only thing I took the wrapping off because
what wrapping?
on the shoe.
Hey, yo, so I wasn't even expecting these, and the video you guys saw previously is just me picking it up from one of my friends. He plays in the league, and he has a Jordan rep. And so basically, if you don't know what that is, when you get plugged in, with, you know, if you're any type of like influencer, real big celebrity, or an athlete, you usually get these reps, and they basically work for the company, and they'll just send you shoes basically to have you be a sponsor for it. So he has a Jordan rep, so he gets all of the Jordans basically. And yeah, I struck out on sneakers. I didn't hit on the Travis Scott raffle on his website. Now they are rumored to have a shock drop on sneakers for these, but I don't think that's really true because they have a lot more other colorways coming out. But this one, and I can expect why this one was so very limited, because this one right here is Travis Scott's first signature shoe with Jordan. Now, a lot of people might not really, you know, they might be a little bit confused on, well, doesn't Travis Scott already have Jordans with Jordan Brand? Yes, those are basically collabs, right? Those aren't his silhouettes. Those aren't his models. You know, Travis Scott didn't create the Jordan 1. He didn't create the Jordan 4. He's just collabing on those, and he's putting his colorway, his artistic design on an already created silhouette. This one right here in this box is Travis's own silhouette. So this is the creative design team or whatever. They came together and made this. So this right here is Travis Scott's shoe, his own shoe. So it's different from the Jordan 4s that collab with Travis Scott. This is actually Travis Scott. So yeah, that's why they were extremely hard to get. And then even my store, they did get them, so they did come to some tier 0 stores. However, my store only had around 20 to like 30 pairs, and they was like, yeah, buddy, you're not getting these. So shout out to my guy who gave them to me, and we can just, so I'm grateful that we can do this unboxing with him.